In this video, we are going to see how we can remove the @insert search menu button that keeps appearing in every single line and you are not sure about how to get rid of this. Here's a quick solution for you. So first of all, @sign is used to refer to any date, any specific people you want to refer to, any specific product or insert any meeting notes. This is used as a shortcut to it, to search directly in the menus. So first of all, the solution is make sure you are not typing it up, because this might be the issue with the keyboard layout itself or any sticky keys already enabled. So just disable the sticky keys on your Windows. So if any of that happens, it might show you again and again like this option. All you have to do is just press backspace and backspace to disable that, and it will remove that completely. And once you do that, hit enter, and then you should be able to work normally. Also, you want to turn off the smart suggestions. Make sure you are in the editing mode and not in suggesting mode. So if you are in suggesting mode, it will show you in a weird style, or if you're in viewing mode, it will show you something different. So you have to make sure that you switch back to editing only, and then make sure the pencil icon is selected on your right. Also, just check for the browser extensions, because this Google Docs is used in the browser. Just make sure that you have not turned on any specific extensions like Grammarly, AI writing tools, or productivity add-ons. So if you want to remove that or check that, you can click on the three dots. You will find the extensions from here, click on manage extensions, and just disable all of those extensions that you think might be causing the issue. Also, you can open the docs in the new incognito window as well. So maybe it's the issue with the browser or some extensions. So click on new incognito mode and write docs.google.com. And if you're able to see it normally, just try a different browser itself, and that should solve the issue. Also, if you're still unable to do that, just go to the tools and click on preferences. And from here, re-enable all the defaults like this, whatever we have specified here. And again, that should solve your issue. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.